In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation menu in Elementor Free. This is not just any menu, but a fundamental component of your website that can greatly enhance user experience and improve accessibility. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by setting up your menu in WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Look for the Appearance section, and under that, select Menus. This is where you'll begin crafting the structure of your navigation menu. At this point, click on Create a new menu. You'll be prompted to give your menu a name. This name is for your reference, so choose something that makes sense to you, like Main Menu or Header Menu. Next, it's time to populate your menu. You can add various elements to it, such as pages, posts, or even custom links. On the left side, you'll see panels that allow you to pick and choose which items to include. Whether it's a product page, a blog post, or a custom URL, simply select them and click Add to Menu. Remember, the order you add these items is the order they'll appear on your site, but you can always rearrange them by dragging them up or down within the menu structure. Once you've carefully selected and arranged your items, don't forget to hit the Save menu button. This will ensure that all your selections are stored safely. Now, there's a crucial step here. Make sure to assign the menu to a location. This is where it will display on your live site. Most themes have predefined locations like primary, secondary, or footer. For a standard navigation menu that appears at the top of your site, you'll likely want to set it as your primary menu. Moving on to the next phase, let's integrate this menu into your Elementor page. If your theme supports it, this part can be surprisingly straightforward. Many popular themes like Hello Elementor, Astra, or Generate Press automatically pull the menu into the header once you've assigned it under Appearance menus. This means, if you're using one of these themes or a similar one, the menu will appear in your site's header without needing to manually configure it in Elementor. However, it's always a good idea to preview your site just to ensure everything appears as expected and your menu functions correctly. So there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created and integrated a navigation menu using Elementor Free in WordPress. This navigation menu is not only vital for guiding visitors through your website, but also crucial for search engines to crawl your site efficiently. Don't forget to review and update your menu periodically, especially as you add new content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Elementor tips and tricks.